Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone runs iOS 16 or later, and that iCloud Photos is syncing so featured has content to pick from. Once ready, open Settings, go to Wallpaper, and choose Add New Wallpaper, then tap Featured. You'll see a live preview of curated images that rotate. Use the arrows to page through possibilities, and tap a photo to inspect it. Make sure to review the preview because this determines what shows on your lock screen. Now refine what appears. Tap Customize or Options to set shuffle frequency, hourly, daily, or only when tapped, and enable Smart Rotate to let the system prioritize faces and high-quality frames. If Featured pulls images you don't want, exit and pick Photos, select Album, or create a dedicated album in Photos and choose it instead. Once you select an album, the shuffle will only use those images. This gives you precise control over what finish by tapping Set and choose whether this wallpaper applies to the lock screen, home screen, or both. You can enable live photo motion or depth effects before applying to add subtle parallax. Make sure to preview those on the lock screen. If the featured images don't update or the shuffle seems stuck, make sure iCloud Photos is fully synced, update to the latest iOS, and restart your phone. If problems persist, remove and re-add the wallpaper, or use a dedicated album instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.